Alright guys, so thanks for clicking on the video. I know I really haven't been uploading as much as I would like to, but unfortunately here in Michigan, we've been, having some really rough weather. Oh, the lighting. Anyways, yeah, we've been having really rough weather, and now it's starting to clear up. Right now we're sitting at a nice 55 degrees outside. So expect more car content to be coming out once the weather starts getting better. And obviously, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be pretty much just strictly about the AMG Performance Exhaust system that comes on the W205 C43s, mainly 2019s and up, so the facelifted models. Unfortunately, the previous models, such as the 2017, 2018s, never really had this option. So I'm just really happy that the 2019s and up came with this option. And if you guys are new to the channel, this is obviously my 2020 C43. And if you guys want to see more car content and just things about this car that you're interested in, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, so that way you guys will be up to date with everything you want to know. Also, if you guys want to see some things behind the scenes, be sure to drop a follow on my Instagram. I'll leave all that good stuff in my description or somewhere throughout the video, so you guys can, drop a follow if you guys are curious to see anything. But without further ado, I'm going to get straight to the video. Right now, my car temperatures are at 162, which is the oil, so that's pretty warm, and my transmission's at 73 degrees. So we're just going to wait for the transmission to warm up a little bit. That can take a while. Obviously, I'm not really trying to beat on this car whenever it's cold, because that's never a good thing to do. And knock on wood, I've really had some good reliability in this thing so far. So while this car warms up, I'm gonna just drive around slowly under 3,000 RPM and just give you some backlash of, or pretty much my overall experience with this thing for the past 3 years. So if you guys are new to the channel, I actually got this car, and actually right when the pandemic hit, so 2020. I was really lucky and really thankful that I actually got this thing, because I needed something that I can drive all year round here in Michigan. So I had the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and the looks and everything. I just automatically fell in love with this car. And so once the supply chain went really bad, this was like one of the leftover cars. So I was thankful to get the this C43, and I was honestly more surprised about the overall exhaust system that came about in these things. So I was informed that the previous models, like I said earlier, never came with this AMG exhaust option, but the newer models, such as the 2019s and up, were coming with this exhaust option, and it's like a $1,250 option. Honestly, there really is, after 3 years of driving this thing, no point in getting one of these cars, obviously, unless you want to daily it or whatever. But if you want to daily it and have fun, honestly, the exhaust system is a major thing that you should be looking out for when purchasing these cars. And again, once this car warms up fully, I'm gonna show you guys why it's worth it. I'm gonna beat on it a little bit and roll down the windows just to give you guys some clips and pulls of just what this thing sounds like. Anyways, so this is the current update. Literally all Michigan roads, all year round. All you see is barrels, construction. It's really annoying to drive in this state. So thankfully, I do have a second car. If you guys want to know what that is, I'll probably post it maybe later on in this video or somewhere on my Instagram. That I do daily, because honestly, I hate driving this thing. Even though it's meant to be a daily, I really hate driving this thing in horrible conditions whenever there's snow, salt, or just rain. I like to, whenever I put miles on this thing, honestly, I like to enjoy it and make sure they're happy miles, not depressed or shitty miles or whatever. I like to put miles on this thing while I'm smiling and just enjoying the overall car and what it's meant for. And of course, with my luck, I just realized shortly we're probably going to be needing to fill up at a gas station, and that's still my transmission temperature over there, still trying to fully warm up. The transmission on these things honestly takes forever, but I mean, what are you gonna do? It's just something to deal with none of these cars. So we're just gonna have to drive this comfortably, like I was saying earlier, below 3,000 RPM. Cruise, I guess, drive speed limit. And once this thing warms up and turns white, we're gonna start having more fun. So a little bit more about this car, something I just want to add on. So if you guys aren't up to date for whatever reason, the new C43s and C63s are unfortunately going to be inline-4 turbocharged with some supposedly F1 technology, hybrid system, whatever they're trying to do. Personally, not a fan of it. I've already seen some clips on the media which have surfaced of what the C63 is supposed to sound like, and if you guys don't know, that's supposed to be like the top of the line C-Class. Honestly, sounds horrible. Both of them, the C43 and C63, sound horrible. It sucks that they look really good in my opinion, but they just sound horrible. And I can say this with my my chest up and actually happy while I'm saying this. The older fake AMG sounds way better than the new real and the new fake AMG. So this car sounds much better than the new W205 C43, or sorry, excuse me, the W206 C43 and the W206 C63. The new ones sound like straight Dyson vacuum cleaners. They look good, like I said, you know, earlier, but they just sound horrible. And if you guys want to know what they sound like, you know, feel free to do it. It's honestly really sad of how the car has really just downsized or degraded engines over time. But if you guys want to do that, feel free to do it all over. It's all over YouTube and TikTok. I'm sure there's a few clips of them on Instagram as well. But they honestly, the new W206s are horrible to honestly listen to, even with any sort of exhaust system on it. I doubt, you know, they'd be pleasant, I guess, to listen to for that matter. But again, I can say this with my full chest out that these C43s sound way better than the new coming C classes. And if they if the new C classes stay like this, honestly, with, you know, 4-cylinder, turbocharged, inline F1 technology bullshit, they could be fast, they can be nice looking, but if they sound like that, honestly, I'm a big sound guy. So when I like to drive this car and I like to push it, you know, enjoy the summer with my windows down, things like that, I like to hear something, you know. So personally, you can give me this all day of the week, and I'm gonna show you guys why. All right, guys, so the car is finally warmed up. Fun fact, I'm gonna shut up soon. If you guys hear like a little psh at the end of every pole when I let off, again, if you guys are new here, I've said this in my previous videos, I actually added a Rentec blow-off valve. So that's what those are. Those are not intakes of, you know, any sort or any kind. Just Rentec blow-off valve adapters. They were like $360, and they do fit specifically for this car. So I'm eventually gonna shut up once we find some free road, so I can show you guys what this thing sounds like and just have some fun. All right, so we have a good amount of open road in front of us now, so I'm about to show you guys what this thing sounds like. So I'm gonna roll some of the windows down. Hopefully the camera picks all this up. There's a good amount of traffic today on the roads, unfortunately. Man, I really hope this traffic does die down. I want you guys to really get a good exhaust sound of what this thing sounds like. Come on. Any minute now, this traffic should clear up. All right, right here. I guess we'll turn inner lane. Give you guys a good pull right here. Man, that will never get old. Man, that's so fun. Those pops on every upshift are crazy. Sheesh. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, there are a good amount of cops here. A lot of cops are out today, first day in a while since it's, you know, in the 50s here in Michigan. So we have some room here, but I'm gonna be really careful. Hopefully we don't get flicked today or anything crazy like that happens. But this is what the car sounds like with all the windows closed. Oh my God. One thing about this car, you really feel these gear changes. Every upshift and every downshift, man, it's so sad how they're really not gonna make in a car that sounds like this. In terms of C classes, this is literally like as best as it's gonna get in terms of the 43s. All right, so I really want to roll the windows back down again, just so we really get to hear what these things sound like. Man, I really hope it's getting up all those pops. And by the way, this car is 100% completely bone stock AMG Performance Exhaust with Rentec blow-off valves and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Honestly, stock is very fun to have fun with, but it's obviously not the fastest, I know, but it will for sure put a smile on your face. That's just all I gotta say, honestly. Right here we got a bridge. Let me show you what these things sound like under a bridge. Oh my God, this is just so fun. All right, let's hit this downshift. Man, let's see if we can get another pull over here. Again, there's a lot of traffic here. I guess it's like rush hour and a lot of people are coming back from work. It is a good 4 o'clock now, about. I'll try giving you guys a few more pulls in, and then we'll just end the video like that. Alright, I think we got an inner lane right here that I can turn it on. Alright, let's give it a rip. Oh my god! Bro, this thing makes me feel like a kid. Man, I just really hope it's capturing all this on video. Oh my god. Man, I can't even describe this. Like, in one word, if I can describe this car to you guys, just straight fun. Fun. 3 letters, 1 word, fun. That's all this car is. It's not the fastest. It's not meant to be the fastest. But even stock, it just has the most amount of, like, perfect amount of horsepower, and this transmission makes everything so easy. And you get this amazing exhaust, these pops, bangs on the upshift, downshift. It's just crazy to even think that this is a fake AMG, because it doesn't have like the hand-built V8 or whatever. But if this is the fake AMG, this is just, I'll gladly take 5 more of these. Like, this is honestly really fun to drive. It's not stiff at all to drive around, you know, in between, you know, daily things you gotta do for school, college, groceries, anything like that. In between city driving, it's very dailyable. Man, that will never get old. But yeah, honestly, this exhaust system, if this car really never had this exhaust system, personally, that's just me, I would have never really gotten this thing, because it makes all the difference in the world now. Even again, for stock, this thing is crazy. Like, I don't have any downpipe on it. I don't have any sort of resonator delete, mid muffler delete. It's just a straight, you know, performance exhaust system from the start to the back of the car. So I'm just honestly interested, once I start modding this thing, and you know, if I get any tunes and add like some sort of downpipe or anything like that to the car, of what this thing will sound like. But hopefully it gives you guys you know, a good overview of what this thing sounds like. And I really hope all this was really been able to be captured off my camera. You know, there was some wind in the background, so I really hope that didn't, you know, interfere with any of this. That's pretty much just gonna wrap up the video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys are interested in, you know, owning a C43, and if you guys wanted to see overall more car content and you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a thumbs up, you know, comment. I'm interested to see what you guys have to say about these cars. I know there's not many, you know, fans, but for the people who are there and that appreciate these things, you know, we are there for sure. I myself certainly am one of these, and just let me know what you guys think about the C43s and the AMG Performance Exhaust. Do you like them? Do you not? I'm interested to see what you guys have to say overall in the comments. So without further ado, again, that's just pretty much this video. That's going to wrap up everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.